Hey everyone, your Google Whisperer here with a great new walkthrough video on how you can take the events that are in your standard Google Analytics and automatically pass them into Google Analytics 4. Now, Google has announced that come July 1st, 2023, they will stop supporting hits into Universal Google Analytics or our standard GA. One of the hardest parts about moving over to GA4 is the fact that the events were not porting over automatically. But the coolest thing has occurred, and Google has now let us see all that information when you turn that trigger on in GA4. And let me show you how you do that. Here in my Google Analytics screen, I'm going to go to my gear in the bottom left-hand side. And in that admin section, I'm then going to click right here on data streams in the middle. From there, you want to make sure that you have a data stream or that source to your website that's set up and getting traffic for GA4. And then I'm going to click into the settings for this data stream. Once I click into there, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to see this more tagging settings. On that video, click on it, and you're going to see this new feature that says Collect Universal Google Analytics. When I flip that on, it means all of those event categories that are customized, all of your event actions, all that work you've done in Universal Google Analytics will automatically fire into GA4 without having to configure the events again. So the one thing that we've all been putting off about configuring those new events and working with that, Google has taken care of it. And as long as you flip that on, you should start to see all of your events within about 24 hours. Remember, keep checking back to Synchro's YouTube channel for more videos as we start getting prepared for this final countdown to GA4. And always check out Synchro Digital's website for the newest Google Whisperer information.